Show that ass. Club dog. Show that ass. I can't fuck with you. Show that ass. I can't fuck with you.
If you guys want to see how I installed these lights, keep watching. So what's up YouTube, it's your girl Dani DiOR and I'm back with more. So I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up, my name is Dani. I like to eat, do my hair, and get cute to go nowhere, period. Poo. This is how you know I'm comfortable with y'all, because it seems like I have too many intros with my bonnet on. Get at Shalom Silkies, by the way. So yeah, I just got back from an event, and as you can see, my room is, yeah. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. Most of this, or like majority of the clutter, is really from vacation. I did clean up before I left somewhat, but it's like, you know, you come back and you have to unpack and all that stuff. It leaves a mess. So today I'm going to do like a little clean my room with me, because I did renovate it almost 2 years ago, September 2020. But we're gonna spice it up a little bit. You see how it's all black everything, right? So we're gonna give it some color. So after I clean my room, I'm going to show you guys some new LED lights, and I can't wait. I'm so excited because I have this like color changing lamp, but I deleted the app for it, so I don't know how to change the color anymore. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put like the strips like right along that wall, because I'm pretty sure I don't have enough for the whole room. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to clean and show you guys and like watch me install or set up lights, I guess. So y'all stay tuned. So what's up, y'all? I'm gonna talk to y'all for a little bit because I'm bored. Yeah, so right here is just me cleaning up my desk, or trying to declutter it, and for some reason it's like I barely work here, yet it's the messiest part of the room. So I'm just going through and taking the stuff off, putting it in its rightful or designated areas. And after this, you will see me use a label printer sticker just to get all the dust off of the desk before I go through and wipe it down and spray it down before I put my things back up on here. So that's what you see me doing now. So here my little nightstand, y'all. There's not really much going on here. It's just like a little bit of stuff that's disorganized. So I'm just going to take them off, wipe it down, and then put the stuff back up on there. Luckily, I didn't have a lot going on, so this is probably the shortest part of my room that I had to clean. So right here, you guys, I moved to my dresser, and I don't really have much on here except for like little trinkets like lip gloss and some jewelry. So I'm just wiping it down because there wasn't much to do on here, repositioning stuff. And after this, I'm moving to the treasure drawer, which also didn't have a lot on there. So as y'all can see, like my room don't just be dirty as hell now. Like I clean it, it just sometimes it gets a little cluttered. So that's me just straightening up the little items and putting them away. Now for the bulk part, this is me taking up any clothes that I had laying on my bed, trying to figure out if they were clean or dirty. If they're dirty, they're going in the wash. If they're clean, they're getting hung up or folded. So that's what you see me doing now. If you see me move out the camera, just putting them in their rightful places. For the most part, literally most of them were clean. And the camera got blurry here. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I'm just putting my clothes away. And my sheets have to be washed, so I'm actually not gonna sit up here and fully straighten up the bed, because I did end up taking my sheets off like the next 2 days. But yeah. So this is not the finished product because it's about to be 2 a.m. and I still have to vacuum. But for the most part, y'all remember what it looked like before. I didn't bother to like fix my sheets all the way because they're getting washed tomorrow. But y'all see it. Please don't play with your girl. I'm gonna need to start cleaning business. But yeah, you guys, this probably took me like, I want to say a little under 2 hours. It would have took less. But I kept stopping. But yeah. So time for the big reveal. Ignore my nails, y'all, but these are the LED lights. So of course they're color changing. I mean, unless you're living under a rock, pretty much everyone has these. So I open up the box. I have LED controller. Okay. Not sure what this is, but it looks important. We have the remotes. Oh, so not only did I get one, but two. Okay. So this is just your information card. And then here are the instructions. So I'm going to read these and get back to y'all. So I was told by the instructions to go ahead and plug it in just to test it out, and they very much do work. So now I'm excited. Now how I'm gonna reach up there, I do not know, but I do want to test one out. So probably gonna put one above my bed head frame and see how that works. So this is me preparing to install the lights, y'all, and please do not do this by yourself at home. If you have someone around or available to help you, please just ask for help. See me, I like to do everything by myself because I'm hard-headed and I don't like asking for stuff, nor do I like waiting on people. So instead of doing this the safe and proper way with like a stepladder or some help, I just used my furniture, but it got done. But basically the strip lights are stuck by adhesive, so that's why you see that little white string hanging down. That's just from the back of the lights. With it being like daytime outside, I tried to make my room as dark as possible just to give y'all the full effect. But I'm not gonna lie, it's just right here that's throwing me off, because it's like it's this one side of the wall and then it just goes around. And they did give me two to complete it all the way around this way, but y'all see I like to do things by myself, and that was just, it was too much. But I really do like it. So here's the remote that it came with. Let's see, because I know it said the lights were Bluetooth, meaning like if I wanted to download an app on my phone, I think they have one for that. Oh, okay. So let's see if this works. Off. No, that's on. Off. Oh wait, the battery's still in there. Okay. False alarm. Okay. So I took the little strip out. So we finna see. Off. Okay, so it definitely works. The light switch works. Okay. So if I want to change the color, pink. Okay. We got purple. Let's see if you do blue. I don't know why it's not focused, but okay. So the remote. Why is this acting like this? You really embarrassing me right now. Anyway, y'all can see the colors. So let's do green, red. Yes. Flash. And then we have strobe. Okay, this, yeah, fade. So this is probably what was just on the first time. Then we have smooth. and this one is kind of like faster, which is a faster fade. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the fade. So all in all, you guys, I really like the lights. Like, I just wish it was darker so I can actually give you guys like the full effect. And this is what it's giving. So like I said, it's not dark in my room. In all honesty, it's not bad. It's just the thing that throws me off is when you have to plug it up, so it's like that one side of the room versus that side, and it's throwing me off. But I'm definitely I'm definitely messing with it. It came with 2 in a box, so I feel like if you were to do your whole room, then you're covered for sure. But since you can see I'm the only one setting up the lights and doing it myself, it was a bit of a hassle. So I definitely recommend getting someone to help you or using like a step ladder. Yeah, because what I did was dangerous. Don't try it at home. But I love it. I will definitely update you guys in the nighttime because I was too lazy to do it the other night and show y'all how it looks like the whole room. Because apparently it's supposed to give, like, if it's dark, it's supposed to give like that effect that you're, you know, in the club or something. So we're gonna try it out and come back later.
3 hours later.
So I just wanted to do a little, whatchamacallit, like a little, you know, show y'all what I'm working with my room and the lights now that it's dark outside. Okay, Cameron. So this is my room, you know, lights off, the lamp is on, so you can't see me, right? Oh, I like the sweat. And the thing is, I don't even have, oh my gosh, I don't even have it wrapped all the way around my room, y'all. Like, this is giving what it had to give. It was definitely like, now I'm just trying out different colors. Like, this is pink, purple, indigo. This is this teal? Okay, well, whatever. And then blue. So you can kind of see the change where the colors like shift. And this is like, what is this? It's a little fade. So this is all the colors. And it definitely giving the girls, it's giving the girls Magic City. I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys, this is honestly probably like the highlight of my week. Honestly, like I said, this is half my room. As you can see, it stops right there, which looks a little ghetto, but overall the whole purpose was to change the color of my room, and we succeeded. I'm definitely satisfied with this, and you can also get these from Walmart. They're called DayBetter LED strip lights. Still have a whole nother row left, and I really feel like they did what they needed to do. So y'all make sure y'all go check them out. But if all hearts and minds are clear, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video, and I'll be back with more. Bye, DiOR Dynasty.